Hello there. Today we will talk about a vegetable that can help decrease insulin resistance. Broccoli is a true superfood. It's a member of the cruciferous vegetable family, which includes kale, Brussels sprouts, radish, and cabbage. Studies show that broccoli may decrease insulin resistance in type 2 diabetics. It is also thought to protect against several types of cancer, including prostate cancer. 1 cup, that means 91 grams of raw broccoli, contains 6 grams of carbs, 2 of which are fiber. It also provides more than 100% of the RDI for vitamin C and K. We can summarize it as broccoli contains 4 grams of digestible carbs per serving. It's high in vitamin C and K and may reduce insulin resistance and help prevent cancer. That's it for today. Click on the subscribe button.